So let us discuss the working principle of the solar panels or solar cells. So working principle of solar cells. Solar cells. So working principle of solar cells. So let us discuss from top. So this is the sun here. From sun the photon will be false. It means the light will be false. The light will be false on the solar panel. So the solar panel will be contain different type of layers. So first layer is the photon will be fall on the first layer. So this is in this substance, first one the photons will be containing only light now. So this light will be changed here like P junction and N junction. N is nothing but negative. So the N will be escape here. So this is minus, that is nothing but electrons. Electrons are N junction. So these are comes from here. And next one, so here, so the next region is depletion region. So the depletion region is totally, first one is N type now. This is the N type now. So now first one is N type. So fall on N type, the N type will be gone in first wire. And next one P type. So P type is nothing but the protons. So these P type are forms here depletion region. And so from this depletion region the N type will be gone from one wire, and after the depletion region, after flow of the P type, it will be go separate P type. It will be converted as separate P type, that is nothing but holes or protons. So these protons will be flows to another side. So it will be contain one protective one, that is electron hole. So that is nothing but, this is the electron hole, or this is nothing but the photon. So this is false, and these type of substances will be create the current here. So let us discuss, review it. The sun will be release the photon here, and from the photon the N type region, that this is N type region, will be false, and it forms the depletion region. Depletion region will be divided to and N type will be flows from this wire, and P it divides, and the holes will be there here. The electrons are jumped now, so the protons will be there here. So that is nothing but P type are there here. Those P type are come from another wire, and those substance like bulb and another one are flows here. So this type of process will be doing in our solar cells. So this will be contain of those type of photons, and it's converting the photons into electrons, and electrons positive and negative. So electrons and protons, and it will be flows the current in the different type of substances like fans, lights, electric appliances which we have seen in our daily uses. Thank you.